So, there is a lot of confusion going around premium Shopify themes and third-party Shopify themes. And in this video, I am going to tell you the key difference between them and which one you should go ahead with. So let's not waste any time and get started. There are pros and cons of both premium themes and third-party themes. Premium themes are the ones that are listed in the official Shopify theme store. On the other hand, third-party themes are mainly sold on platforms like ThemeForest, and sometimes they sell it on their own website. The main differences between these themes are often related to pricing plans and customer support. When it comes to premium themes, Shopify goes through a very strong review process. It's a 5-step process, which you can find on this page. And the themes that pass the test will be listed on the official theme store. Since these themes are officially reviewed by Shopify, it makes them more reliable and trustworthy. Not to mention that you'll have the option to try out these themes before you decide to purchase them. The downside is that these themes are crazy expensive for a beginner to afford. Premium Shopify themes are getting extremely expensive, and they are regularly increasing their charges. The premium Shopify themes starts from $140 and goes up to $400. This simple Shopify theme costs around $400. And the crazy thing is that they almost doubled their prices in the last 3 years. On the other hand, third-party themes are often priced between $19 to $99. They are affordable, and they offer various features and functionalities. Since they are selling outside the theme store, they are not as reliable and trustworthy as the official Shopify themes. You also won't get to try third-party themes for free, which is a big downside. Premium themes offer lifetime support and faster updates. Third-party themes offer support for limited time, and then you have the option to extend your theme support by paying a small fee. When it comes to features and functionalities, both premium and third-party themes offer full customizations. I personally prefer third-party themes for its designs and customization features. They also offer pre-made templates, which makes the customization much easier for beginners. In fact, there are third-party themes like the Shrine theme, Booster theme, and Premium Debutify theme, which are being sold outside the theme store. They are also as pricey as the official Shopify themes, yet people are crazy for them due to the features and functionalities. I personally like to use third-party themes for my client store, but you must be aware that there are risks involved with it. For example, the company that's selling the theme on ThemeForest or any other marketplace may incur some losses, and then they may close the service in the future. In such cases, your store won't be updated with the latest Shopify policies, which may cause you some trouble. Another issue with third-party themes is that anyone can create a basic theme and list them inside a marketplace. You should not buy a theme that's completely new. These themes could be poorly coded, which may cause bugs and technical errors. So try to avoid them. There are some premium third-party themes that I regularly use for my clients' stores. I've made a detailed video on that, so if you are interested, you can get the video link in the video description. I've also created detailed tutorials on some of the most popular and feature-rich third-party themes that I've personally used in the past. Of course, if budget is not an issue for you, then I recommend you to try a premium Shopify theme from the Shopify theme store. And once you are convinced, you can make the payment to buy the theme and launch your store. And if you are on a low budget, feel free to use third-party themes. I generally don't see any issues with it. You see, if you visit the Shopify App Store, you'll find well over 12,000 third-party Shopify apps. And every Shopify store uses these apps for adding extra features and functionalities to their store. If you can use third-party apps without an issue, you might as well use a third-party theme too. Some good third-party themes that I would recommend are the Ella theme, Minimog theme, Booster theme, and Shrine theme. I've also made detailed tutorials on these themes which you find on this channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.